Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your maths teacher, and today I am going to understand the concept of fraction, addition, and subtraction of like fractions, unlike fraction, and mixed fraction. So, students, first we have to understand addition of like fraction. Addition of like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fraction means the sum of two or more like fraction is found by adding only the numerator. Example, and these two fractions are like fraction because its denominators are same. So we can take 10 as LCM and just add their numerator 6 plus 1 and 7 upon 10. Similar in subtraction, 5 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. Whenever the fractions are like, we take the LCM of same denominators and subtract their numerator parts. 5 minus 3, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3 upon 7. Now student, the second part, addition or subtraction of unlike fraction, in which the sum or difference of two or more unlike fractions is found by the following step. First one, make the denominators equal. For example, 5 upon 12 plus 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3. The first step we have to make the denominators are equal by taking LCM. There are different denominators, these are called unlike fraction. Then LCM of all denominators 12, 6 and 3 will 12. You have to find the LCM. Then now convert all these denominator in the number 12. Then 5 over 12, here the LCM will match, so no need to multiply with any number. That's 5 upon 6. By what number should 6 is multiplied become 12? This is 12. 2, 6 2s are 12. Then same number in multiply by 2. This is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3. 3 should multiply with 4 become 12. Then same number in numerator. 5 upon 12 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 12 plus 4 1s are 4 upon 12. Now student, this is clear. We have to convert unlike fraction into like fraction. All the denominators are same. Now second step, add or subtract the numerators. Now taking 12 as LCM and add all these all fractions are in positive form. Then 5 plus 10 plus 4. Correct answer is 10 plus 4 14 plus 5 19 upon 12. So student, last and very crucial step of this segment is convert the fraction in its lowest form. Whenever this is an improper fraction, convert into mixed fraction. Otherwise, if the proper fraction is seen, so you must convert in its lowest form. The SCF of numerator and denominator will 1. Now this is an improper fraction because 19 is greater than 12. Then convert into mixed fraction. 12 ones are 12 and 7 remainder, that is 7 upon 12. This is the final answer of this example. You can check one by one. The addition and subtraction of unlike fraction B. When these fractions are unlike, first we should need to convert all the fraction into like fraction by taking LCM, and at last add their numerator parts and convert. If the fraction is in the form of improper part fraction, convert into mixed fraction. Here is 1. And if the fraction is proper form, convert into its simplest form by taking SCF. Now student, the third part of the addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Then in this part, the sum of difference between mixed fraction is found by converting them into improper fraction. So first, now this is an example of subtraction because previous ones are the example of addition. So student, now convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 5, 29 upon 8. This is the improper type of mixed fraction. Minus 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 1, 16 over 5. Now start the rule of unlike fractions. LCM of 8 and 5 is equal to 40. Now convert unlike fraction into like fraction. 29 upon 8 is multiplied with 5, become 40. Minus 16 upon 5, 5 is multiplied with 8, become 40. Then 5 9 are 45, 5 2 are 10, plus 4 14 upon 40, minus 8 6 are 48, 8 1 are 8 plus 4 12, 16 8 are 128 upon 40. Now this is the like fractions. These are like fraction. By taking the LCM according to rule of subtraction of like fraction, 145 minus 128 is equal to 15 minus 8, that is 7, and 3 minus 2, that is 1 upon 40. And 17 is a prime number, so that this is in its simplest form. Then no need to convert into lowest form. So student, I hope all of you will understand the concept of addition or subtraction of like fraction, unlike fraction, as well as mixed fraction. I hope if you have some query regarding to this video, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.